In this video, we are going to discuss about common drain amplifier. This is also called as source follower. So let me draw the circuit for common drain amplifier. So this is your VDD, and from the source we are taking the output. Okay, so from the source we are taking the output. And this is your VI. So for this we need to draw the small signal equivalent circuit for AC analysis. So for AC analysis, DC supply should be shorted. Sorry, should be grounded, and the capacitor should be shorted. Okay, so if that is the case, this is VI followed by G followed by this is your gate, so this is your VGS. Okay, this is your source followed by GM, VGS, and this is your RD. So this is your drain terminal. So in the source I have connected one RS. So at the source I am taking the output V0, which is grounded. So here RG also it is grounded. Okay. So for this one I need to find the value of input impedance, output impedance, and voltage gain. So from seeing the figure itself, I can identify what is the value of ZI. So ZI input impedance. So input impedance ZI is equal to VI by IA. That is nothing but RG, where RG is R1 in parallel with R2. Okay. So next I need to find the voltage gain. Okay, voltage gain. So what is V0? V0 is nothing but the current flowing through this terminal. Current flowing through this terminal is GM VGS into RS. Okay. So from the figure I can write VI is equal to VA is connected to the gate to ground. So from gate to ground I have VGS. Okay, VGS plus V0. So what is V0 here? From the first equation, VGS plus GM VGS RS. So this is nothing but VGS into 1 plus GM RS. Okay. So from this you can substitute what is V0 by VI. What is V0? V0 is GM VGS RS divided by what is VI? VA is VGS into 1 plus GM RS. So this is equal to VGS get cancelled out. VGS and VGS get cancelled out. So you will get GM RS divided by 1 plus GM RS. So this is your voltage gain. Okay. So next one is to find the output impedance. So in order to find the output impedance, take the value of AV. So you divide both side by GM. So if I divide both side by GM, I will get RS divided by 1 by GM plus RS. So we know that AV is V0 into VI. So I can write like this. So if I draw the diagram, circuit diagram for this one, this is nothing but VI 1 by GM, this is your RS, and this is your V0. Okay, this is how the circuit is. So we know that to find the output impedance, VI should be equal to 0. So if VI is 0 means this is short circuited. So what is the value of Z0? Z0 is equal to 1 by GM in parallel with RS. So this is nothing but Z0. Thank you.